Beat the crap out of everybody. Something wrong with his brain.
Well, I'll tell you what. When we get back, I'll finish her off real quick and then we'll get back. Okay?